playing with our 10 frames just a little bit, okay? That's what our objectives are. Ready? Excited?
Yes, ma'am.
First, going to watch a video that sings about 10 frames. About oops, wait a minute. Okay, shh. Did you get it turned on? Just a second. I forgot to plug in the speaker. Here we go.
We're gonna tell you about the friends. Say it to me.
Listen.
Adding a breeze leaves a meet to easy like ABC. Remember each number, it has a friend. That will take you all the way to 10. Remember them, and you won't know that 10 is what you get if the way to go. Learn these friends in your mind. When you add up, it'll save you time. Enough talk now, it's time to show. It's friends 10 time. Let's go. 0 and 10 are friends of 10. 1 and 9 are friends of 10. 2 and 8 are friends of 10. 3 and 10 are friends of 10. 4 and 6 are friends of 10. 5 and 5 are friends of 10. If you know you're friends of 10, it can help you in the end. Friends of 10. We're 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 friends of
Okay. Did y'all enjoy that? That was showing friends of 10. Who can tell me 2 of the numbers that he said was friends of 10? Chloe? 3 and 7. Who can tell me another one? Jack?
I think Lori just took it.
Oh, okay. How about you, Nathaniel? 5 and 5 make 10. Very good. Ashley? Can you think of another one? What? 10 and 0. Very good. Okay, we're going to get some more of those a little bit later, okay? Hands down. Hands down. Now, 10 frames show parts of 10. So, we're going to learn how to do part, whole. When I give you a whole, a number that's a whole, and then we give one part, and you have to find out the other part. All right? Okay. Now, I need Tamari. Will you start at this side of the room and start passing out everyone? Now, it doesn't matter what color you get, okay? Marley, if you start from this side and y'all will meet in the middle. Give one to everybody. Hey, shh, listen. Marley, you forgot yourself and Skylar over here. Come on. charge. He's doing it.
I got it. Dustin.
Okay, they're not choosing colors. You're just passing them out. They're not choosing colors. Tamari. Or, there you go. All right, you two come back to your seats for me. Yes, I have one extra, just in case, okay? Now, I'm gonna pick you. We're gonna use our squares back here, our carpet squares, to put numbers in there for 10 frames, okay? When I touch you, I want you to come back here and get on one of these 10 frames. Right here. Whoops, let's put you back here. Because remember, we always start at the top of the 10 frame and go from what? Left to right. Very good. There. Okay, you come here. Nope. No, you're going to be down there. Okay. Miss Kate. They all have shoes. Can you get right there in front of him? Right next to her. Now, who can raise your hand and tell me how many people we have in our 10 frame? Because this is where our 10 frame is. Come around. Yes. Very good. How did you know that?
Because there's 3 on the top and there's 5 on the bottom.
Okay. Well, this is my top. This is my top. So on the top, there's always what?
5.
If it's full, we know it's 5. And then this is my bottom, because I couldn't hold the road up. Okay? Very good. Thank you. Y'all give them a hand. Thank you for helping me. Y'all go ahead and sit.
Thank you.
Boys and girls, y'all give me just a second. There we go. Now, we have, listen, look up here. We have counters. I have a bag that has pom-poms in it and a bag that has colored disc in it. Now, I'm going to have somebody come around, and if this person comes around and you don't want this, just do this. When the pom-pom person comes around, you get one. Don't be choosy, okay? And do not open them until I ask you to, okay? You do it there, and you do these. They're walking around, and when they walk around, they have a choice. They can choose either the pom-poms or the disc. Oh, y'all are doing a fabulous job. No, we're not changing our mind. Have a seat. have some people over here that want the disc. Thank you. Oh, y'all are doing a great job. Okay, we have one more person over here.
And we got 8 days.
Okay, whose are these? Whose are those? Put on your desk. We're not choosing colors. We're not arguing, we're getting what we get, okay? Which one did you want? Which one? Now, boys and girls, I'm going to come around with a number, and I want you to use one color. How many colors did I say? One color. If you have the disc, you either choose the red or the yellow. If you have the pom-poms, you choose one color. I'm going to give you a number, and I want you to put, whichever color you choose, that number of pom-poms or discs on your tin frame and leave it there. Only get out what you need. Don't pour the whole bag out because then they'll go rolling everywhere, okay? Here we go. We're doing this part quietly, don't. There you go. You are choosing one color. We're not talking. We are working. Oh, here's my other number.
I got 3 dollars.
You have it? Okay. Everybody's got it. Okay. Oh, table 1 is doing a fantastic job following directions. Everybody is. I want you to put one, whatever this number is, I want it in the tin frame. Very good, very good. Now remember, you're supposed to use one color. Which color are you using? Okay, and what's this number? No. Okay, show me 6. Okay, now look, count. You have to have 1 in each spot. This one has how many? All right, very good. You got it. Very good, very good. I can't see it because you've got it all over. There you go. Justin? Very good. Where's your number? Where's your number? Okay. Very good. Oh, y'all did a fabulous job. Everybody used one color and everybody did the correct number. Now, I need you to take those manipulatives, the pom-poms or the disc, and put them back in the bag. Back in the bag. We use tin frames to help us add and subtract. But right now, we're going to use them in just a little bit, not right now. We're going to use them in a little bit to add. And then we'll use the 2 different colors. Now put your number that I gave you at the top by your nameplate. Very good. There you go. Put everything up there by your name tag. Everything. Oh, Mia's doing such a great job. Audrey's doing a great job. You're doing a great job. All right, I'm going to be looking for some more people. Now look up here. I'm going to flash a 10 frame. And I want you to tell me with the numbers, but are you going to scream? No, we're not going to scream out the number. We're going to whisper, or not whisper, we're just going to quietly say the number. Okay, y'all ready? Look up here. How many is this? 8. Very good. How many is this? 0. Very good. I need everybody's attention. 7. 10. 9. This one? 2. Great job. 1. 5. Now, raise your hand if you can tell me why you know there's 5 on this one. Nathaniel.
Because there's just 5 on the top.
The whole top row is what?
Full.
Is full. Very good.
6. 3. 10.
Great job. Great job. Now, we are going to do a group activity. So you're going to have to keep your stuff kind of in the middle and listen for instructions. I have a bag here that has 10 frames in it. They also have the words to the 10 frames. What word is that? 0. And they also have the number. What you're going to do as a group is you're going to cooperate and you are going to work together. Nobody is in what? Charge. Thank you. You are working together to put the 10 frame with the word and the number. So how many is in this one? 10. So what word are you going to look for?
10.
What number are you going to look for?
10.
And you're going to put the word and the number on top of it, okay? All right. You 4 girls are going to work together. You can start working. Just move your other stuff to the side, and y'all start working together. You 2 guys, you're going to take your chairs and turn it around to these 2 girls. You 4 are going to work together. Okay? You 4. You 4 are going to work together. Okay? Okay? You 2, come around here. No, just leave your stuff there. We don't need that stuff. Y'all are going to work with the stuff there. Go around the other side. You 2 take your chairs and come back here to these 2. Just take it, take it. How many are on this one? You're looking for the word 10. It's right there. Put it on top. Now you have to find the number 10. See? And look, you put it on top like that. Okay? The noise level has gotten way too high. I know you're excited, but let's keep it down. Y'all get most of it done? She's gonna put them back in the bag. Just put them all on down. How did y'all do? Good. Okay, now give it all to her, and she's gonna put them all in the bag. You two guys, turn around, go back to your seat. Justin, ready to make your choices? Not the yellow pink. Okay. Okay. It's time to clean up. Where's the bag? Okay. Y'all did a great job. You matched up a bunch of numbers together. Very good. We're going to do this again another day, okay? You put them all in the bag. Go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down. Heads down. These should already be in the bag. They don't have to be in one order. Open the bag. No, we're going to use those. That's your number. Okay, go sit down. Okay, come on. Time to focus. No. Get away from now. Y'all did a fabulous job matching the words and the numbers to the 10 frames. Fabulous job. Now, we are going to numbers to write on the board that add up to make 10. Raise your hand. 9 and what? 9 Nathaniel.
8 and 2. 0 and 6.
Very good.
4 and 6.
Very good.
6 and 4.
4.
2 and 8.
Okay. 4 and 4. Does that make 10? No. Think again.
3 and 8.
It would be 3 and what? You have 3. How many more do I need to make 10? 5, 6, 7. That's 3 plus 7.
4 and 6.
Okay, we have 4 and 6 and 6 and 4. 5 and 4 is what? Huh? 7 and 4 is not, because it's 6 and 4. 7 and 4 is. Alright, very good. We've got 1 and 9, we've got 0 and 10.
2 and 8.
We have 2 and 8. We can swap, well, we've got 8 and 2. Brighton,
8 and 2.
we have 8 and 2 and 2 and 8. Y'all gotta look over here. Don't repeat them.
7 and 3.
Okay, we have 7 and 3, 3 and 7. Alright, we can switch this one around and make it what?
10 and 0.
And we've got 9 plus 1. We can swap it around. 1 plus 9. We've got 5 and 5, 8 and 2, 2 and 8. I think we've covered it. Very good. Very good. Hands down. Hands down. All right. Now, it's okay. It's okay. Now, there are different ways that we can do. We're going to use word problems. Let's all read this word problem.
Dan got to stay together. Jan has 3 red balls. How many black balls does Dad have?
Now, this is when we're going to use our 10 frames and our manipulatives, whether you have the disc or whether you have the pom-poms. So, choose one color that's going to be your first color. And what is our whole? What is our whole?
10.
10. So it's the 10 frames, right?
Yes.
We know that Jan has how many?
3.
3 red. If you don't have red, you can choose any other color. You come and help me on the board. Okay, there's that. So we have 3 red. We are trying to find out how many, who has? Dan. We're trying to figure out how many Dan has. All right, Audrey, we're going up to what number?
10.
So what are you going to do?
Make 10.
You're going to use your other color to fill in the rest because we're going up to what number?
10.
second number?
7.
Very good. Did everybody get that?
Yes,
All right, I'm looking. You gotta use your pom-poms. You should have one color of 3, and the rest of them will be the other color that you have chosen. Okay, you have 3 red, and then do the others yellow. We use the 2 different colors to show the difference. Do you understand that? Okay. Now look here. What was our first number? So these 2 should not be red. They should be what? Right. What was our first number?
3.
And so these 2 should not be, those should be what? Okay, thank you. Thank you. You getting it? Thank you so much. Here, can you put the top on it for me? Okay, how about, let's get this right. Our first color was this, and our second color is purple. Because we had 3, and then we needed to find out how many he had. So you can fill the rest of those with purple.
Stop touching it. Always keep touching mine.
Okay, so now y'all quit arguing.
This is a movie.
Quit arguing. Very good. Oh, DeAndre. Use this color first, and then we need to use this one for the second part that we're trying to find out, okay? There we go. Another one, there's one. You see? She had 3, and then he had how many? 7. Very good. Now we're going to do another one. Okay, just kind of push those manipulatives off your board. Just set them up top by your name. Everybody ready?
No.
All right, eyeballs up here. Eyeballs up here. We're going to read. And we're going to read together. Wait. Together. Here we go.
Bill had 5 pumpkins. Bill had 3
Oranges.
How many
Fruits do
they
they
have all together?
all together? We have an addition sentence here. So we know Bill has how many?
5.
5. So you're getting 5 of your pom-poms or your red or yellow manipulatives and putting 5 on there. I don't care. Doesn't matter which one. And then you choose the other color, and how many are you going to use of the other color?
3.
3. Now, he is going to work our problem for us. And y'all are looking at you are looking at your 10 frame to see if you have the same thing he has. your tin frame should look like his with the two different colors. And then he's gonna fill in our, get it? Okay. Do all of your tin frames look like his? Has one color on top that's 5 and 3 on the other? And 5 plus 3 equals how many do you have total? 8. Very good. Do you see how you use 2 different colors to solve math problems? Very good. We have one more math problem. One more reading problem. I'm holding this up because y'all can't, I want to make sure everybody sees it. Okay, clear your tin frame. Okay, I'll get it. Or did it go running away? Did it run away? We're saving it? Now, let's read this one. Ready?
Kim and Joe have Kim has
I couldn't understand the words you were saying. Let's start over and stay together. Hold on just a second. I need, you're paying attention. Up here. Miss Bowen's up here. Alright, here we go. Ready?
Kim and Joe have 10 cups in all. Kim has 7 cups. How many cups does Joe have?
Okay. We're trying to figure out how many cups Joe has. So use one color to fill in how many Kim has. Kim has how many?
10.
How many does Kim have?
7.
And then you're filling in the difference with the other color. It's okay. What are you gonna do first? And y'all watch her when she gets through. And we're gonna see if it's right and see if yours looks just like hers. Come on, y'all supposed to be doing it too. Come on. Very good. Very good. Now, what's this number?
6.
Okay, so you should have 7 what? You should have 7 blue. You should have 7 blue. And how many blue do you have? So we need 6, 7. So get how many more blues out? Fine. Yeah. Okay. How many greens should you have? And we're trying to find out how many Joe has. So use your other color to fill in the rest of the tin frame. Very good. Now you need 7 red. Okay? Now find out how many Joe has. Use your other color. Use your other color to fill in the rest of the blanks. Now, y'all look at the board. This is what yours should look like. Because Kim had 7 cups, and Joe, we needed to find out how many he had, right?
Yes.
So, now fill in the blanks. 10 is blank and blank. The first number is what? 7
and 3.
and 3. Very good. Everyone should look like this. Thank you so much. Yes. Good job. Very good. Now, my back. I am going to write a number on top here, and I want you, and I'm going to give you one part, and then you're going to fill in the second part. Okay? Part, whole. Our whole number is this number. That's our whole. The part I'm going to give you is this. I need you to find the missing part. So that means you're going to have 2 of one color, and then you're going to fill into this whole number the difference to get up to that whole, the whole. Now, are you going to use the whole 10 frame? No? Because our number at the top is number what?
2.
What?
7.
Okay, but you've got them all. And that's 10. Your total should be 7. Your total should be 7. Do you have 7? You do? You do? Okay. Will you come up here and help me? Now, we're going up to this number. So if I have 2 red, what color are you going to put here? Yellow. Now let's fill it up to number 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. Very good. Now DeAndre, or turn around. We had 7. Is that right? How many red do you have?
2.
2. How many yellow do you have?
5.
Great job. Great job. So everyone should have one color of 2 and the others are 5. Very good. Okay. Go sit in. Now, this is our whole number. Our whole. Find the difference. Your whole is 9. Your first part you know is 5. Come on. The whole is 9. One part is 5, and the other part is what? We're going to use the other side. Go into what number? No, we're going to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So, what was the part that we needed to find?
4.
What was the part that we needed to find?
4.
4. Very good. Can you write the number 4 there for me? Right there. Very good. All right. Thank you so much for your help. So that's what we use them to do. If you have the whole, one part, and to find the other part. Okay? Now, put your manipulatives back in your bag. And put it up at your name tag. Put everything at your name tag. We should not be arguing. Because everyone has their own stuff.
Well, that was not ours, but that's the face.
Okay. Where did all these come from? It's on here. Yes, I did. You didn't see one of these back there, did you? No? Okay, it was on there when I had it back there. We'll use this. It's okay. It's okay. We will improvise. Yes, I made this. What do you think? Now, we're not going to have time right this minute to work on this because we've got to work on something else. But I'm going to explain to you what we're going to do. You're going to be able to use this in the future for a center. This part of the center, there's 3 centers. There's three parts. 1, 2, 3. The first part is where you're going to match, like you did earlier, you're going to match the 10 frames with the words and the numbers. Okay? The next part is your adding, just like we just did a few minutes ago. But what you'll, oh look, guess what I found? That's the little bag. Okay. I'm so glad I found it. Now, what you're going to do, you have to be quick on your toes at school, don't you? Okay. What you're going to do is you'll have a bag here that have red numbers and a bag here that have yellow numbers. And what you'll do is you'll take turns with a partner and you will pick a number, and then there's, see, over here there's apples that have Velcro. See? You can take them off and change the problem. Okay? So this is teaching you adding with 2 different manipulatives. Okay? 2 colors. Listen. This other part of the game is you have blank 10 frames. And you will use 2. It's 10 plus game, which means you have 2 dice that you roll, and when you roll the dice, if one lands on 6, then you will take one of the colors of apples. You'll do red, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then, if the other dice has 5, you'll go with the yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess what? You have to go to the next 10 frame to put 5. So 6 plus 5 is how many? This whole part is covered. That's 10, and you have 1 on this one. 11. Very good. So we will play this, but I've got it up to 3 players. So that you can take turns and you can kind of help each other and compete a little bit, okay? Yeah.
That could be for the science player.
That's math.
It could be for math. It could be for math.
Now, look up and, whoops, I got full screen now. Okay, y'all are doing a fabulous job. While I'm getting this together, will you stand up behind your chair and will you stretch quietly? Stretch. Is the green light on? It's on now? All right. Do you think it stayed on here too long?
There it is.
Yeah, I've already clicked on it twice. Hold on just a second. Y'all are doing a fabulous job today. Does it do this sometimes? Okay. Well, we won't get to see Miss Butterfly today, but it'll be fine. She doesn't want to cooperate. Now, what do I need at the top of the paper?
Name, date, and number.
Okay. Put your manipulatives up top.
I'm just. Can I
Yeah, I'm going to collect them so we can use them again.
It's gonna take
Table 1, section 2, and table 3. On the front, it says 10 is blank and blank. We have already written some of those, or written all of them really, on the board. It's 2 numbers that equal what? 10. If you would go ahead and fill in where it says 10 is, just like we did up front, blank and blank. I'm looking for names, and you should already be writing. Let me pull this up a little bit while this is coming on. We already have numbers up here. that you can fill in. Go in here. When you have finished filling out the front, would you please open it to the middle and wait for me? Look on the board. See those numbers that we did? 10 is what we see. Okay, you shouldn't be playing with those. Fill in the blank. Look at the board. 9 and 1. Here are the numbers up here that you can fill in that make the 10. I'm so glad you did not look at those. But we need to get going. Come on, you gotta do all of them. 1 through 4. 1 through 4. What? Okay, you're gonna be fine. Okay, what are you doing? So some of them, boys and girls, you shouldn't be talking, you should be working. 10 is 5 and 5. You don't have to put this. 9 and 1, 6 and 4, 3 and 7, or you can use any of those over there. Open to the middle. Will you please read the directions to this one right here? Wait. Shh. We're quiet and we're listening to the directions.
Write the number that show ways to make 10.
Very good. Thank you so much. 10 is, let's work this front one together. Number 1, it gives it for you. 10 is what?
4 and 6.
4 and 6. Very good. Number 2, 10 is, how many red do we have? 7 and
3.
very good. Number 3 is, 10 is
9 and 1.
fabulous. The next one, 10 is,
0.
we have no red. Very good. 0. And what is the yellow? 10. Very good. Down at the bottom it says, do you understand how many more counters do you need to make 10?
We need 2 more.
You need 2 more. How did you know that?
Because we know how to count. There's 5 on the top and
There's 5 on the top and 3 on the bottom, and that there were 2 squares available. Now, this is your time to work independently on 5 through 9. Number 9 says use the 10 frame. Who's still talking? We're not counting right this second. Gail has some grapes. Will has the same number of red grapes. Gail has some green grapes. Will has the same number of red grapes. They have 10 grapes in all. Draw Gail's and Will's grapes. If they both have the same number and it equals 10, what are the 2 going to be? All right, draw it for me. Answer 5 through 9. When you finish that part, you can go to the back. Okay, when you finish that part. That's what I was saying. Gail has some green grapes. Will has the same number of red grapes. They have how many grapes in all? Draw Gail's and Will's grapes. They're going to have the same number. It's okay. I'm not going to come through and I'm just looking right now. I'll come through and mark later. Okay, turn it over. And start on the back. Okay, we're going to read it. Okay, looks like everyone is through with that part. Yes, Rita. Can you wait a few minutes? Okay, how many is here? Go there. He's here. Very good. Look on the back. Everybody turn to the back. I'm not going to check it right now. I know I usually come around and check it before I do this, but we're going to go ahead. Solve the problems below. Will you please read number 10? Donna. All together. Very good. Dan and Donna have 10 hats altogether. Dan has 7 hats. How many hats does Donna have? Use the 10 frames. What did you come up with? What was your answer? 10 is 7 and 3. So you'll put 3 and then 3 hats. You should have drawn 7 hats. Just do dots. We know that's 5 because the first row is covered as 5. Now, how did I do to show the difference? Very good. Very good. Now, number 11. Which numbers are parts of 10? Use the 10 frame to solve. Look at all these. A is 1 and 9. B is 2 and 5. C is 4 and 4. D is 6 and 3. No? Mark which one are numbers part of 10. What did you choose?
1 and 9.
Okay, very good. Now down at the bottom, Shane has 10 blue and green crayons. 6 crayons are green. The other crayons are blue. Draw Shane's crayons. Write the numbers to match the picture. So what is our whole? 10. So we have how many green? 6. So we'll draw 6 crayons. Just however way you want to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to draw something different for the blue because we don't have the colors right now. So we'll do circles. So if you drew 6 crayons that were green and draw something different for the blue crayons. Go. When you have the answer, will you raise your hand? Showing me that you've got the answer, that you have the answer. Have you filled out the bottom? 10 is blank and blank. 10 is blank and blank. You know the first one because they've given it to you. You don't have it. What's the first number? Then that's where that's put in. Oh, that. Oh, you did that. Okay. What did you come up with? 10 is what? Fabulous. Very good. We've run out of time. I do have a test for you to do a little bit later. I want to tell you, you did a fabulous job today with following directions with the manipulatives, the 10 frames, working together, not arguing. Wonderful, wonderful job. Okay? All right. And I have a little surprise for y'all a little later. Okay. Now,
Take a trip on a 10 frame. Written by Trina Kolohan.
all right. Now, I do need, Ashley, will you go around and collect those? You can go ahead and